In this video, you'll learn how to save Twitter threads to Notion efficiently. By following these steps, you will be able to embed your favorite Twitter posts directly into your Notion workspace for easy access and organization. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter Notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features options for signing in or creating an account. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen labeled as Add a Page. Click on this option and a blank page will appear, ready for you to customize. Next, you will need to set a title for your new page. Click on the title area at the top of the page, which usually defaults to untitled. That reflects the content you plan to embed, such as Twitter threads. This step is important for organization within your Notion workspace. Once you have entered your title, click on a blank space below the title area to ensure that your cursor is positioned correctly for the next action. This step is crucial as it prepares the page for the embedding process. Now, type in /embed in the blank space. As you start typing, a drop-down menu will appear with options related to embedding content. This feature allows you to integrate various types of media and links into your Notion page. After typing /embed, select the option labeled Embed a Tweet or similar from the drop-down. This action will prompt you to paste a link to the tweet you wish to embed. You will now need to open a new tab in your browser and go to Twitter. In the new tab, navigate to the Twitter post you want to embed. You can do this by searching for the user's profile or by entering a specific URL if you have it. Once you find the post, click on it to open it fully. To copy the URL of the tweet, look for the share icon, which is usually represented by an arrow pointing upward. Click on it and select the option to copy link to tweet. This action captures the tweet's URL to your clipboard for easy pasting. Return to your Notion tab after copying the link. In the blank space where you previously typed /embed, type paste link or simply press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste the copied URL. This step is essential for embedding the tweet into your Notion page. Now click on the option labeled Embed Tweet that appears after pasting the link. Notion will process the link and you should see the tweet embedded directly into your page. This visual representation allows for seamless interaction with the tweet. Finally, click on any blank space on the page to finalize the embedding process. Your tweet is now successfully embedded in Notion, allowing you to reference it anytime within your workspace. Remember to check your internet speed during this process, especially if you're embedding multiple tweets, as slow connections may delay loading times. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.